Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a bride and a groom. At first, I draw a groom. I start with his eyes and his head and also his hair. Trying to draw and paint with me, I draw his arms and body. He is holding a beautiful rose. He is wearing a wedding suit. Now I draw a bride. I start with her beautiful eyes and her head and her beautiful hair. I draw her beautiful wedding dress. I draw her arms. She is so pretty. Good job! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Brown. I start with brown color.
The wheels on the bus.
Cream. I use cream color for the skin.
The horn on the bus goes
Green.
beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Blue. Light blue.
Wheels on the bus. Yeah!
Orange. The boy is trying to give her a rose.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go
Pink.
up and down, all through the town.
Lovely. Purple. Yellow. Red. They are so excited and happy to get married. See you on the next video.